Hear the music? No, you don't hear the music. Let's see. Whoa. Excuse me. Oh, still don't hear music. Well, just know there's some freaking amazing music playing right now. Alright, I'm gonna turn off the mic. I turn off the music from the live stream because it's starting to bug me. It's kind of delayed. Let's see. I'm gonna post this to LinkedIn. Let's see if anyone. Let's see if anyone cares enough to join. I don't see the LinkedIn page this time. That's weird. Okay, I'm gonna share this with. Alright, I think I have to start work. So yesterday, what happened yesterday? Yesterday I did it. I finished the scripts that let me sort of make a whole bunch of experiments and then batch train it and then save the results of that experiment to a file here. Well, we can take a look at it. Let me open it up. So you see, it's got the what's it called, parameter inspector and the final test accuracy, or the max accuracy for that specific model. And it was running on just the standard data that I had collected for my my trigger word detection algorithm that's trained on what's it trained on? Different brand names, some sexually explicit words. I was thinking about using it for like a chat moderation, just to keep for chats that have little kids or something like that. This would sort of cut the stream right as the word are being said. Oh, sorry about the interruption, guys. It's just China issues. It's always China issues. It's really annoying, actually. But the stream, I think it's back on, and it should be loading now. Okay. So we were looking at the experiment results. I think I've gotten around 59 experiments done since I had it running last night. So over 8 hours. I didn't implement the time remaining, which is something I actually want to do, but I think there was a total of 800 experiments, and I think these experiments, I think they might take a long time to finish. Actually, let's do the math real quick. Oh my god, I hate LibreOffice Calc. It takes so long to load. It's really slow. So let's do Oh, excuse me, I'm still a little tired. So last night I got it running, I think around 8, and it's 10 right now. So that's 4 plus 10, 14 hours. Let's double check the amount of model stuff that's still here. Let's refresh this. So 14 hours. Oh. Man, I hate working. I really don't like working from China. These internet issues are, man, they hold me back a lot, actually. Let's see, 67. Okay, so 14 divided by 67. Ooh, so about 1/5 of an hour, which I guess is like 12 minutes per run. Then we multiply that by 859. And it should take 179 hours, 180 hours to complete this. Then divided by 4. Well, 24. Oh, more than a week to complete all the experiments. Divided by 4. Oh, whoop. Divided by 4, and that would be a day, almost 2 days with 4 GPUs. So you can see the power of having like multiple shit. So I live stream my work because I just had a question from someone. Like they told me they didn't understand. I live stream my work to, I guess, half for myself and half for other people. For myself, I think it helps me concentrate a little bit more. Sort of keeps me on track. It's a little bit harder to step away and just, do something else when you feel like there are other people there watching. And I guess for other people, and that I just want to show sort of like the tedium of what I do. A lot of people I talk to don't quite understand what AI is, what deep learning is, and what that means actually in terms of work. And it's a lot of software engineering, and it's a lot of just sort of waiting around for results to come in, and trying different things, and setting up software so that it can automatically try different things for you. That's why I live stream. And I think other people should live stream too. I think it helps. So this is going to take me 7 days to run. Okay, I see. I had a list I made from yesterday. I think the next thing I want to do is, well, I want to actually try to convert this to work on just not right now. This specific Git repository honk is set up to do keyword spotting on 1 second audio clips, and what I'd like to do actually is, the structure is such that it's pretty adaptable. Actually, I can change it to do not only for keyword spotting inside of sound clips. I think I can do it for all manner of stuff. I can use the same exact code and just extend it to work better for specific domains. So right now it's set up for audio, but I'm pretty sure I can make this get set up for video and photo classification super easy. And going into the audio, I think I can extend it to go to detect things other than specific words or phrases, but also emotions. Because I do a lot of work with emotions and trying to detect it. So yeah, let me go ahead and try that. Let's start. I hope my stream doesn't fail. Okay, so we have this. This is just going to continue to go until it's done. I'm going to let it run for a while, probably halfway through before I stop it, and then I'll work on something to like restart it. But I think I'm going to have to upload all of this stuff to the cloud because I want to get it. I want to get it on a bunch of GPU machines. You know, I could turn this into a container. I could turn it into a container and then just spawn a boatload of GPU containers to work on like stuff. I'm not going to worry about that right now. I think for right now, we got the grid searches done and working. Not the best, but let's go see about extending this to work for emotion. And do I have Hunk installed here? Transient audio. Hunk is here. Some other work I was doing that isn't here is actually to auto download data sets from YouTube for specific types of sounds, so gunshots and screams. Right now, let me just look at this. Git branch view all. So this, I wasn't working on this one, I was working on the other one. I really should fork this so I can share it between. I'm so bad at Git. Let me open up terminal to I'll make a new terminal. So this terminal program is called Terminator. I like it because I can like sort of split like infinitely. So if I need something really quick, I just spawn a terminal. Whoa, that's very big. So let's SSH and SSH to my machine. I'm so tired. I'm going to tweet out my link and I'll see if I can get some more people to join in. I don't know who's watching. I will send my link out. I'm sending out my I'm sending out my link to a couple people. Let's see what they let's see if they come on. Let's see if I want to do this every day. I want to do this every day. I think this is actually really good. I feel like a lot better when I work this way. Okay. Let's get working. Oh, I got 2 people watching. So exciting. So let's do this. I think it's in Git branch Where am I? Grid search. I'm in grid search right now, so. Am I gonna do this on grid search? Oh no. Let me commit. I don't have to add anything, I think. Yeah, I do. Well, let me convert the Jupyter notebook that I made into a Python script that runs. I think that's the first thing, so convert Jupyter notebook to Python script, and then I'll go ahead and commit that, and we'll start working on the extension into emotions. So this is still running. Oh, let's open it up. Let's open up the honk repo. I'll open up the honk repo, and then I'll make a file there. Call it like grid search or something. Create new file. Grid search.py. You know, I'm not doing this very right. I feel like I should really be calling. I should be importing the script, like the manage or the train script, and then passing the variables directly. And right now what I'm doing is I create command line strings to pass to the shell to run. And the problem with that is if at the end, when I'm running it, when I run a shell command in Python, in a Python script or a Jupyter notebook, it doesn't use the virtual environment that's currently active. So I end up, actually, I don't know that. No, it definitely doesn't. It definitely doesn't, because I was testing that yesterday. It doesn't use that. So what I have to do, I should really just be importing the script. I shouldn't be doing this roundabout way. And I should be passing the variables directly, and that would have saved me a lot of time in terms of having to parse all this data and turn it into text, which actually was a little bit of annoying. So I think when I convert this to my Python script, I'm gonna make it so it actually imports the it goes ahead and imports the actual train file, and it passes the arguments directly to that. And then I can do that iteratively, and then I can read in directly without having to worry about the error messages that are appearing after I uploaded or after I upgraded. You see these? Yeah. Okay, I'll do that then. That sounds like a good plan. So let me open up the grid search pie. It's too bad you guys can't hear the music playing right now. I'm gonna put it in the comments. I love the YouTube music mixes, they're amazing. Okay. Okay, so at this point I'm just gonna copy everything over because I'm not changing anything from this. Ugh. Paste. There we go. Okay, so that's golden. if I want to, you know what I really want to do? Actually, I want to open up an interpreter and sort of play around with the train, see if I can pass stuff to it. So let me go, I'm going to open up that. Utils. Open up the train. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So this is the train. I feel like I would have to edit this a bit. Well, this has a parser built in. Man, sometimes I get excited and I want to do something, and then I realize it would be more work than I actually want. Takes in this config, but I don't know what this config looks like right now. So let me print out the config, and then I think if the config matches what I expect, then I can just import this file and this function, and then this would set off the whole thing. And I just pass it the config that I've generated. So let's test it. It's fucking running right now though. I can test it on my local machine if I make the change really quick. Let's go ahead now. Train. Hi. Here we go. Oh, print config. Exit. Yes, save. Okay, so let's do this. I'm gonna pass a training utility. I'm gonna pass a command and see if what it outputs. So let's just first of all, I forgot to activate my env. Second, I'm not quite sure what's going on here. And train 44. This is pretty annoying. Train 44. Syntax error. I'm not sure why this threw this syntax error. End equals end. It's pretty clunky variable naming, but I don't want this stuff anyway. But I don't want any of this stuff. That's okay. Okay. I want the config. Come on, print the config. No such thing as. Oh, okay. Let me go ahead and, I think this has a thing for me to download. This repo has some example stuff I can download. Let me go ahead and download that. Let's see. Wait, Hulk. Let's see it. Ah. How are we doing on the stream? Oh, one person. I wonder who the one person is. Oh, here we go. Fetch data. So this should download the data and then save it. I'm gonna take a quick bathroom break because this might take a little while. Oh, that was fast, actually. Okay, cool. Let's see where it went. The data zip data. Okay, fetch the data in the models. Model. Okay, data though. Training data? Random? Oh, it doesn't download the data set for me. Okay, let me download the data set. You see? Deep learning. It's a bunch of downloading and trial and error. Thanks to the download link. Yep. Okay. Save the file. Oh, you know what? I actually think that. This is the old version. Speech command data set. No, the 0.01 is old, I think. Okay, well, we just need to try it, so I guess we'll run it. 20 minutes. Oh, it's going down. 10 minutes left. Okay. Should be fine. This won't take too long. But I guess I could take questions, you know. Just waiting at this point. I get a dinner at, I get a lunch at 12. So I'm gonna have to end the stream then. Let's see what else I wanted to do. Oh yeah, now that I have so I was facing. I'm right now. I'm getting the keyword detection to work on a Raspberry Pi, and one of the things I found was I installed a PyTorch, like the newest version of PyTorch on my Raspberry Pi, and the older models that I was generating with this software framework. Well, they were made using PyTorch like 0.4. And something was wrong. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and let me download one of these new models that I made with PyTorch 1, and then see if that works. Because I think it's just a version mismatch. And it's not SSH. It's pi at okay. I think anyone would do. So let's download this. This should download to my desktop, and then I'm gonna open up a new connection to my Pi. My laptop, when I'm facing this way, when I face you guys, I'm facing my laptop screen, and my laptop has like a 2K monitor, which was a big mistake because I can't see anything on this damn laptop screen unless I upscale it. And if I upscale it, then it messes with this monitor over here, and there's some weird like graphical glitches. I'm not sure what's going on there. A new site, home Pi. We'll just do that. We'll do this. We'll do okay. Anonymous, normal, and it's Pi, and then okay. So let's try to connect home Pi. Establish new connection, new tab. Okay. Let's go to honk. We'll go to model. Perfect. Okay. So now I got this model here. Whoop. Now that's in here. Now I can. So let's see, Python. It's 2.7. Well, let's import torch. No model torch. Okay, so this is VNV. So source, then activate, and then let's go see. I'll show you the version of PyTorch I have. No module name torch. I just installed it. Maybe I'm using the wrong virtual environment. Source deactivate. Oh, deactivate. What the heck? Oh, you know what? It's in Python 3. Import torch. There we go. It's not. I really hate these namespaces. Okay, so torch that version. So 1.1 I had installed, and I used 1 to make this model. So I hope it should work. Okay, so when I go into honk, it should be running Python 3. Okay. Okay. Config JSON. So I'm gonna use the PyTorch backend. And the model path is going to be whatever the name of this fucking file is. Okay, so then Python 3 dot Wanakuda. No CUDA. True. So obviously, wait. Fuck. What did I do? No. What the fuck? No. What's this true? That's weird. I don't like how that's fucked up. Whoa, what the fuck? What did I just do? This is why I hate. Now I'm in some weird state. I'm in some very weird state and I don't know how to get out of here. What the fuck? I want to clear the background tasks. I forget the command for it. I swear this is easier than I think than it should be. Everyone gets to see what a Linux noob I am. So I can bring a job back with foreground. I knew that. Just going to find the process. Okay. Six. Yes. Okay. True. Python 3 dot. Let's see if this works. Oh, that's weird. Okay, well, this isn't the same error I got before. This is now it's a different one. And missing keys in state directory. Unexpected keys. Errors in loading state dict for speech model. Model PY. And it's in 80. Load state dictionary. So this is loading the. I think this is the PyTorch model file, and it doesn't seem to be working. But it doesn't give me the same error as I got before when I first gave it a model made with PyTorch 1. Yeah, I can install PyTorch 0.41. Decisions. Just because I don't quite know what this, I don't really know what this is about. This is missing keys in state dictionary. So some missing keys, and then it says it doesn't have some keys. So maybe something is messed up here. Copy. Oh, well, I am using a ResNet 18, and it looks like they're missing similar. Missing equals set own keys. No, it's not the same error. Missing keys in state dictionary. Let's just get rid of this. See what this gives us. Deep learning. Oh, I guess coding in general. Dude, now this is the scene. So let's see what he's doing. Okay, so let's see how this code loads it. Because I think that's part of the, it seems to be part of the problem, or at least this is making me believe that's part of the problem. Let's look at this again. So it's model 80. So service PY is where we actually load the model. Model, oh, service, oops. Where's service? Oh, it's just out here. And that's line 78. Okay. I wonder, actually. I might actually be setting the see, I know that's a resonant model. And right here, this is saying model config type CNN trad pool 2. Could it be that this is what's causing it? Because this is a res 18. I think it's a res 18. Might be a res 8. Let me check on my experiment run. Control F wasn't working, so I didn't know what to do. Let's get that. I mean, no result. Of course, there's a result, unless this was like the latest. In which case, that would make sense. Yeah, it was pretty early. Let's look at this one. We're going to download this, rename, copy. Okay, so we got it. And this is a model type. Well, this is using 128 mils. Whatever, fuck it. We don't care what the accuracy is, we just want to see that it works. come on, model type. Yeah, it's res 8. So let me change this to, instead of CNN trad pool 2, let me turn this to res 8. And then we're going to exit this. And we'll see if that's it. Okay, so we didn't get that weird stuff, which makes me think that's what it was. I've got to massage this code a lot. Looks like I'm going to have to do some work to make it work a little bit better. Oh, we got up to 3 viewers at one time, which is kind of exciting. One guy stayed for like a minute, looks like. Check my stream. But now we have this segmentation fault. Okay, the differences between the software is moving, in the deep learning software is moving so fast, a lot of things are just like not really usable right now. Oops. PyTorch. Let's see, Torch, no grad. Torch. Excuse me. Yeah, it's moving so fast that a lot of the stuff that you use, even if it was made like 6 months ago, it's probably not going to work out of the box. So you have to massage it a bit, or you can just go back to that. I might go back just to 0.41, and I might have to. Oh. 0.4, you see? Fucking 0.4, man. I swear. Why is the 0.4 still giving me... See, this was an issue because... Man, this is getting me down. I'm not very focused today. I'm not very focused today. Pip 3 on install Torch. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to install the 0.4 wheel PyTorch 0.4.1. Yes. Permission denied. Fuck your permission. Yes. Okay, so let's look for. So we are going to have pip3 install paste. No CUDA. No CUDA. Linux, no CUDA binaries. So we are using 3.5. And here we go. Paste. I'm going to cancel this halfway because what I want to do is just double check that we're using 3.5. There we are. Okay. That should work in terms of downloading the new. Is there an arm? Oh no, that's right. I had to build from source because the wheel doesn't work for this. Build from source. PyTorch 6.4.1. This is Raspberry Pi, so I gotta build it from source. I can't pip install it. This is really fucked up. Okay. Actually, I want to see my environmental parameters, so let's check. Because there's a couple to build from source PyTorch from source on the Raspberry Pi. You have to set a couple of environmental parameters. So I just want to check that that's available. Okay, E and B. So we got the PyTorch build version, we got this, but I am missing those environmental parameters. And, okay, build PyTorch for, medium, PyTorch, boom. Just getting a reminder that my lunch is soon. So this guy wrote a really good write-up on it. And it worked like right out the gate. Here we go. No, these are the environment parameters. No CUDA, no distributed, no MKL DNN, no NNN pack, no QNN pack. Paste. Go. I think I have to build it from source again because now I'm going to be building a different version. So let's go ahead and boom. You see? Now the thing with this is it takes a while. It usually took 4 hours. It's kind of fucked. But it might be going way faster this time. Why did it fail? Ow. 4. It's going so good. I don't think this is gonna work. We'll see. I gotta get a new string for my keychain. It broke. It's working. Okay, seems to be working. Where can I find my string? Oh, I got a message from someone. I can hear it. No fucking strings. Let's see. I'm not. I think my friend is already here. I don't believe this built so fast. Oh, no. Oh, actually my friend did arrive already. I might have to cut this stream short. Alright, so I'm going to end this stream short. This is not working. That's not working. I didn't get a whole lot done. So this was basically failed. stream, but a very productive stream. Thanks for coming. Thanks for watching, that one person. I don't know who you are, but could just be me actually watching. I'll see you around. Peace.